In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair corrupted Outlook PST files with the Inbox Repair tool. First, we need to make sure that Outlook is completely closed before starting. This step is crucial because any open instances of Outlook can interfere with the repair process and potentially cause further issues with your PST files. Once Outlook is completely shut down, the next step is to locate the scanpst tool, which is an integral part of repairing these files. The location of this tool depends on the version of Outlook you're using. Let's navigate through this together. For common Windows setups, if you have Office 2016-2019 or the Office 365 suite installed at 64-bit, you'll typically find this under C/Program files, Microsoft Office/root/Office 16+. Alternatively, if you're using a 32-bit version of Office on a 64-bit version of Windows, then you would generally find it under C++Program files, x86, Microsoft Office/root Office 16+. You're specifically looking for a file named scanpstexe. This program is the Inbox Repair tool that we will use to analyze and repair your corrupted files. Now once you've found scanpstexe, go ahead and run the tool by double-clicking it. A window will pop up, prompting you to click Browse. This is where you'll select the PST file that you want to repair. Typically, these files can be found in C+users yourname plus documents, Outlook files. Replace your name with the actual username of your account on your computer. Find the PST file and select it to proceed to the next step. After selecting your PST file, it's time to start the scan. Simply click the Start button within the scanpst tool. The tool will then analyze the file for errors. This process might take a little time depending on the size of the PST file and the extent of the issues it has. Be patient and allow the tool to complete its analysis. If it identifies any errors, it will display them at this time. If errors are found, it's important to repair the file. Before you proceed, ensure that the option to make a backup of scanned file is checked. This precautionary measure is recommended in case anything goes wrong during the repair process. With the backup option selected, click Repair. The tool will now begin fixing the errors it detected in the file. Again, this might take a bit of time, so hang tight and let the process finish completely. Once the repair process is completed, you'll have a fixed PST file ready to use with Outlook once more. And there you have it. Your PST file should now be repaired.